Hello, traders. FS Speculator here. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 4 hour time frame. So, on the 4 hour time frame, to me, it still looks like impulsive down, and it still looks like a possible WXY pattern. Looks like 1, 2, 3 up, looks like 1, 2, 3 down, and it looks like 1, 2, 3 up. We did take out the highs for the liquidity grab. We are sitting at a Fibonacci level now, so if we do get the impulsive move to the downside, I am definitely still going to take it as a short. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I would be watching this because we just hit the 71% fib today. If it now goes down and starts giving us some of these breaks of structure, that's what's going to tell me that this uptrend is over. Hopefully, the uptrend for the ABC or the C of Y will be confirmed to be over at a Fibonacci level. And if and when that does happen, that is definitely going to be the sorting opportunity that I would be looking for the continuation of this higher time frame downtrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.